welcome back to Akshata's recipes. Thank you so much for being here today. So today I'm going to show you a recipe which has got a very rare combination of bhendi or okra with eggs. I don't know whether any of you all have tried this combination out, but it is a super delicious combination, and it's something which is it has a very unique taste, but some of you might like it, some of you might not like it. I love it, and let's watch the video till the end, because I have a few tips and just some stuff to share with you about the recipe. So without much further ado, let's just jump straight ahead into today's recipe. Isn't that something different? Well, this recipe, you can have it as a side dish with rice and curry, or rice and dal, or you can have it with chapatis. You can even roll it up into a chapati and have it as a roll. So for those of you who really love okra and bhendi, I'm sure this recipe is going to stand out for you all, and something different, especially with eggs. And you can also add some other spices. I've kept it very, very simple. I didn't want to overpower it with spices, but you can add a little bit of coriander powder, some cumin powder, a little bit of garam masala, just to make it, all the more flavorful. But I like it simple because then you get the unique taste of the bhendi or the okra along with the eggs. So if you like today's recipe, then do let me know in the comment section once you've tried it out how it turned out. Don't forget to leave this video a big like. I need those likes, and I also need the subscribers. So do subscribe to my channel, guys. There are many of you who are viewing my videos but haven't subscribed. Subscription is completely free. And once you do subscribe to my channel, don't forget to click the notification bell and click on all. That way whenever I put up a new recipe, you'll get a message for the same, so you won't miss out anything happening on my channel, because I have loads and loads of recipes coming up on my channel. I literally have my diary full of recipes that I have to make and share with you, and they're all different types of recipes. They don't just belong to one particular type of recipe pattern. It's got lots of different things. So stay tuned and look out for many more recipes coming out on my channel. Do share my recipes with family and friends, and do leave your comments, guys. I love reading from all of you, and I do reply to almost everybody. So having said all of that, I'll see you soon in my next video. This is Akshata signing off. Take care. Bye.